Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send or transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. We'll go step by step so you can link your bank and move your funds easily and securely. First, open your Cash App and tap the profile icon on the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Next, scroll down to find the linked bank section. Here you'll see options to link either a debit card or a bank account. Since Zelle is connected through your bank, choose the bank account option. Now, select your bank from the list and log in with your online banking credentials. Make sure you enter your information carefully. This step connects your Zelle-linked bank to Cash App securely. Once your bank account is successfully linked, go back to the Cash App home screen. Tap the bank icon at the bottom to open the Money tab. From here, choose Add Money. You can select one of the preset amounts or type in a custom amount you'd like to transfer from your Zelle bank account. After entering the amount, tap Add and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. The money from your Zelle-connected bank will now move into your Cash App balance. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Zelle to Cash App. Make sure to double-check your linked accounts for accuracy, and you'll be ready for fast, secure transfers anytime you need.